Did you know that nearly 70% of households have at least 5 kitchen ingredients that can be used for more than just cooking? That's right. Some of the most ordinary items lining your pantry shelves have a surprising array of uses waiting to be discovered. While we're accustomed to reaching for vinegar, baking soda, or salt to flavor our meals or whip up a family recipe, these common kitchen staples are far more versatile than we often realize. In fact, their potential stretches far beyond the boundaries of food preparation, offering clever solutions to everyday dilemmas, household maintenance, and even personal care. The kitchen is often thought of as the heart of the home, a place of nourishment and comfort, but it can also serve as a treasure trove of practical tools for all sorts of life's little challenges. Many people are surprised to learn that the same ingredients used to bake a cake or pickle vegetables can be harnessed for cleaning, beauty, and even health. The misconception that kitchen staples are just for cooking is deeply ingrained, but with a little creativity, you can unlock their hidden potential and make your home more efficient, eco-friendly, and even fun. Let's start with vinegar, an ingredient so common you might overlook its power. Most of us know vinegar as a tangy addition to salads or a secret weapon in marinades. But did you know that distilled white vinegar is one of the most effective natural cleaning agents you can use around the house? Its high acidity makes it perfect for dissolving mineral deposits, cutting through grease, and even sanitizing surfaces. A simple solution of vinegar and water can clean windows to a streak-free shine, deodorize trash cans, and remove stubborn stains from coffee mugs. And if your shower head is clogged with mineral buildup, just soak it in vinegar overnight. The results will amaze you. Moving on, let's consider baking soda. This humble white powder is a staple in baking, but its deodorizing and abrasive properties open up a world of possibilities. Sprinkle baking soda on carpets before vacuuming to neutralize odors, or add it to your laundry to boost detergent effectiveness and freshen clothes. Stubborn stains in sinks and bathtubs? Make a paste of baking soda and water, scrub gently, and watch the grime disappear. Baking soda can also be used to clean silverware, deodorize your refrigerator, and even soothe insect bites thanks to its gentle alkalinity. Salt is another kitchen mainstay with surprising talents. Beyond its role in flavoring food, salt has been used for centuries as a natural preservative and cleaning agent. Mix salt with a little lemon juice to clean tarnished brass or copper items, or use coarse salt to scrub cast iron pans without damaging their seasoning. But the surprises don't stop there. Salt can also be incorporated into beauty treatments. A simple salt scrub can exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving your hands or feet feeling silky smooth. Add a pinch of salt to your shampoo next time you wash your hair, and you might find it helps control oil and adds volume. Honey, often reserved for sweetening tea or drizzling over breakfast, is another ingredient with hidden potential. Its natural antibacterial properties make it a wonderful addition to homemade face masks, helping to soothe irritated skin and fight acne. Apply a thin layer of honey to minor cuts or burns to promote healing and prevent infection. And if you're battling a cough, a spoonful of honey can ease your throat and calm irritation. Olive oil, prized for its health benefits and rich flavor, also doubles as a beauty aid. A few drops of olive oil can moisturize dry skin, tame frizzy hair, or soften cuticles. Massage a little olive oil into leather shoes or bags to restore their shine and suppleness. For sticky residues left behind by labels or tape, olive oil can help loosen the adhesive for easy removal. Now, let's explore one of the most unexpected uses for a kitchen ingredient: cornstarch. This powdery substance is typically used to thicken sauces or soups, but its absorbent nature makes it a secret weapon for household and beauty challenges. Cornstarch can be used as a dry shampoo in a pinch, soaking up excess oil at your roots and giving your hair a fresh look between washes. It also works wonders as a natural baby powder alternative, keeping skin dry and comfortable without harsh chemicals. And here's a truly surprising tip. Cornstarch can polish silverware. Make a paste with water, rub it onto tarnished silver, let it dry, and buff with a soft cloth. The gleaming results might just leave you speechless. Eggs, another kitchen staple. are loaded with proteins that make them useful beyond breakfast. Whip up an egg white face mask to tighten pores and brighten your complexion. The inside of an eggshell can help fertilize houseplants, providing a slow-release source of calcium. And if you're tackling a stubborn stain on fabric, the enzymes in egg yolk can help break it down before washing. Even coffee grounds have surprising afterlives. After brewing your morning cup, save the grounds to use as a natural exfoliant in homemade scrubs or as a deodorizer for your fridge and freezer. Sprinkle used coffee grounds in your garden to enrich the soil and repel pests like ants and slugs. As we've seen, the possibilities are nearly endless. Items we reach for every day can become powerful allies for cleaning, personal care, and even gardening. By reimagining the roles of our kitchen ingredients, we can save money, reduce waste, and minimize exposure to harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Vinegar is a powerhouse for cleaning and deodorizing, making it indispensable for household tasks. Baking soda shines as a natural deodorizer, cleaner, and even a gentle remedy for skin irritations. Salt helps scrub, preserve, and beautify, while honey and olive oil offer natural solutions for skincare and healing. Cornstarch surprises with its versatility. From dry shampoo to silver polish, and eggs and coffee grounds extend their usefulness far beyond the breakfast table. So, next time you open your kitchen cabinets, look beyond the recipes and consider the hidden potential of those familiar jars and boxes. You might just discover your own favorite surprising use, turning everyday ingredients into invaluable helpers in your daily life. If you enjoyed these tips and want to learn more about creative ways to make your home healthier and more efficient, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There are countless more secrets hiding in your kitchen, and together, we'll uncover them one by one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy experimenting!